Hi guys, it's Mrs. Roberts. I just want to show you our bigger pond. And I'm going to just say, nature is pretty cool. Can you see how sunny it is out here? And yet we have these delicate little raindrops coming down onto the pond. I'll give you a bigger view. Can you see the raindrops? Looks like a bright and beautiful day. Can you hear the train? There's crickets in the background, and the world thinks it's sunny. But I guess God chooses a little rain during this sunny day. All right, guys. Take care. It's beautiful, even with the raindrops coming down. But you guys start school in about 2 weeks, so get ready. And I'm sure you'll do great. All right, take care. Don't forget, nature's pretty cool. All right, bye.